Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be seeing how to install GA4 on WordPress website using plugin. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So we'll be using this website. I have created a Google Analytics 4 account with this website. Now I need to access the tagging code. So for accessing tagging code, I need to click on admin sections. Okay. So from admin, I need to go to the data streams. So I'll click on data streams. Then I need to select the data stream and I can see the option called view tag instructions. So I'll click on this button. Okay. Just a minute. So I'll click on install manually. So we can see a JavaScript snippet is available here. So I need to put this code in the header portion of my plugin. So for installing the plugin, I need to write, as this is a WordPress CMS, so I need to write wp-admin after the URL. So I'll click on enter. Then I'll see an option called plugin available here. So I'll click on add new. Okay. So I'll install a plugin name, insert header footer. So I'll write insert header footer. Okay. I'll click on enter. Then I will install this plugin, WP code insert header and footer. So I'll click on install now. I need to activate this plugin, So the plugin is activated. So this one is our plugin. So if I go to the code snippets option, then we have header footer options available here. So I'll click on header and footer. Okay. And I will copy this code again, and you can see we need to paste this code in the header element. Okay. So I'll copy it from here, and inside header, I'll paste it. Okay. So I'll click on save changes. So it has been saved. Okay. So for checking whether GA4 has been installed on our website using plugin or not, I need to paste the website URL. So I'll copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, I'll click on enter, and we need to take the help of an extension called Google Tag Assistant Legacy. So you can install this extension from Chrome Web Store. Okay, so I will enable this, click on enable and refresh the site. Okay, so we can see global site tag gtag.js is found here. So if we try to match the code from here to there, so it is G2S86W. So I will go to the analytics again. So we can see G2S86W. So this is matching. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can install GA4 using plugin for our WordPress WooCommerce. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, like our page. Okay. You have a good day. Bye bye.